The next question. Show that the relation R in the set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 defined by R equal to set of ordered pair AB such that mod A minus B is even is an equivalence relation. Okay. And for checking its equivalency, we can first write the relation in roster form. Okay. And we know actually the number 0 is neither even nor odd. But in function, we are considering 0 as an even number. Why? 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. All the number ends with 0 are even. That is why we are taking 0 as an even number only in this topic function. Okay. And we can write first we can write the relation, given relation in roster form. What is the relation? A minus B, modulus of A minus B is even. Okay. The first number 1 minus 1, 0 even. 1 minus 2, no, it is odd. 1, 3 is there, it's 1, 3. 1, 4, not there, 1, 5. And similarly, write all the pair in roster form. 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 2, 4, 4, 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5. And check whether it is reflexive. Okay, is it reflexive? If it is reflexive, all the same pair. What are the same pair? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Yes. All are there. We can say that it is reflexive, and in general we can write A belongs to R for all A belongs to A. And the second one, R is symmetric. Okay, how R is symmetric? See, 1, 3 belongs to R, 3, 1 is also belongs to R. 1, 5 is there, yes, 5, 1 is also there. Okay, then 2, 4 there, yeah, 4, 2 also there. That means generally we can write AB belongs to R implies BA is also belongs to R. Now, of one special example, generally we can write AB belongs to R implies BA is also belongs to R. It is symmetric. And check whether is it transitive. Say 1, 3 is there and 3, 1, yes, 1, 1 also there. 1, 3, 3, 5, yes, 1, 5 also there. Okay, that means for any AB and BC, we can find an AC. That means AB, BC belongs to R, AC is also belongs to R. That means the given relation is transitive. And now the relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. We can say that the relation is an equivalence relation. Okay. And the next one, show that R in the set A equal to set of X belongs to Z. What is Z? Integers, all negative, 0 and positive. And condition is given 0 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 12. That is X equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 12 by the relation is defined by R equal to set of ordered pair AB such that A equal to B is an equivalence relation. Okay, what is the relation? A equal to B. Okay, and similar to the previous question, we can write the relation in roster form. And here the relation is A equal to B. Okay, first element and second element are equal. Easily we can write the elements 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2 up to 12, 12. Okay, is it reflexive? Yes, all the same pairs are there. It is very simple. It is reflexive. Ordered pair A belongs to R. Is it symmetric? 0, 0. In the reverse order also it is 0, 0. 1, 1. Yes, reverse order also 1, 1. Okay, that is for any AB, B also belongs to R. It is symmetric. And is it transitive? Yes, 0, 0. Okay, and the second 0 has no relation with any other element. That is only AB belongs to R, no BC. Then no need of AC. It is already transitive. And now the relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. We can say that the relation is an equivalence relation. And the same question, we have a sub question. R equal to set of ordered pair AB such that modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. What is the relation? Modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. And here the relation is defined in the set 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 12. The multiple of 4 means the difference can be 0. 0 is a multiple of 4 or 4 or 8 or 12. Okay, we have to write such pair. You should write all the pairs. 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 8, 0, 12. In the case of 1, we can write 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 9. Okay. And in the case of 2, 2, 2, 2, 6, 2, 10. And similarly, you should write all the pair up to 12, 12. In the case of 12, the pairs are 12, 12, 12, 0, 12, 4, 12, 8. You should write all the pair. Okay, and check the first property, reflexive. Is reflexive? What is reflexive? All the same pair. Yes, the pair 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, up to 12, 12. All are there. We can say that it is reflexive, and generally we can write all A belongs to R. And is it symmetric? See, 0, 4 there. Yes, 4, 0 also there. Okay, 1, 5. Yes, 1 minus 5 multiple of 5. Yes, 5, 1 is also there. Okay, that is for any AB belongs to R, we can find BA also belongs to R. It is symmetric. Then what about transitivity? Yes, okay, 0, 0, yes, 0, 4, again 0, 4. Okay, 1, 5 is the another relation there, and AC is also belongs to there. Okay, but if you are writing all the pair, you can find AB, BC belongs to R, AC is also belongs to R. That means the relation is transitive. Okay, and from here we can say that the relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. That means the relation is also an equivalence relation. Okay, while writing answer, you should write all the ordered pair in the roster form. Okay, don't put etc. You should write all the pair, and you can easily find it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay, and do the remaining questions. 2 or 3 questions are remaining. Do it as homework.